Hi, I'm Kristina Amelong from Optimal Health Network, and I want to talk about how the hair tissue mineral analysis can help treat hair loss. Hair loss can be caused by hormonal changes, stress, nutrient deficiencies, toxic metal exposure, or a combination of these factors. And it usually is a combination of these factors. So if you're experiencing hair loss and you don't know why, a hair tissue mineral analysis does offer the insight that you need to address the root causes and restore healthy hair naturally. A hair analysis is a non-invasive test that evaluates a small hair sample to measure mineral levels and toxic metals over a period of 3 to 4 months. Unlike blood tests that capture short-term fluctuations, the HTMA reveals long-term patterns in nutrient status, stress markers, and toxin accumulation that are often linked to hair thinning and scalp health. Each HTMA that you order from Optimal Health Network comes with a free 15-minute consultation with me to go over your results. And I will make a personalized protocol for you based on your results and any other health issues you're experiencing. With the information from this hair analysis, I can help you detoxify heavy metals in the body, balance mineral levels, replenish deficient nutrients, support adrenal health and hormonal balance, and also optimize digestive functioning for nutrient absorption. Stop hair loss today and take your first step toward healthier hair. Order a hair tissue mineral analysis at the link in the description below. Thank you and have a beautiful day.